In this video, we're going to talk about how to program preset speeds on this ATV212 drive. So, preset speeds are basically where you may have a low and a high speed and you want to toggle back and forth with a switch. Now you can have up to 8 different preset speeds in this particular drive, and just so you know, the R terminal is already programmed as a preset speed. So we're going to go through all that. But for our purposes here, just so you know, the lowest speed setting, the parameter LL, can act as your first speed. And keep in mind also that the lowest speed cannot be higher than your any other speed, because that will take a priority over any other speed. So if you have a low speed of 45, you cannot go lower than 45 anymore. Depending, it doesn't matter if your other presets are programmed to a lower value or not. So for our purposes here, we're going to go to a short example of how to program a low speed of, let's say, 15 and a high speed of, let's say, 60. We're going to use F as your run command for your terminal control, and the R, we're going to go ahead and program it as a preset speed. So just to show you from the very first beginning here, first things first, let's go ahead and set your low speed to 15. So go ahead and press the mode, arrow down to LL, capital L here, enter, and let's go ahead and make that 15 Hertz here. That's your low speed. So keep in mind that when you only give it a run command on F, the drive is going to maintain 15 as a minimum. But to go to 60 Hertz, you got to toggle on R as well. So that's something we have to do in the next few settings here. So that's done. Now go up to the parameter F dash dash dash, enter, and F112 is the R terminal, and that's right now programmed to 6, which is a preset speed already. So from the factory, this drive is already allowing you to use a preset speed for R, but the speed for R is not programmed to 60 though. So to program that, you press the mode, go to F dash dash dash, arrow down to SR1, Sam Robert 1, enter. And so we can make it, that's fine. I mean, we said we were going to make it 60, so let's make that 60, why not? Let's go all the way to 60 here. And then enter. And you also have other, presets here. You have SR2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, you can have up to 8 different technically preset speeds here, including the low speed. That's why you have all these numbers 1 through 7 there, and plus the low speed of 8. So that's why that's there. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and run it actually. So let's go ahead and try to do that. So right now we're just going to go and toggle F right now, and it should go to full speed because we have R made already. So with run command on F and R still made, it should go to 60 Hertz. Now actually we have the R disconnected for now. It's off, so that's why it's not running at 60. So right now with a low speed of 15 Hertz, your F is made, your low speed is 15, it's going to run at 15. Now for the high speed setting of 60, all you got to do is toggle on the R to go to 60 Hertz. And it does. So that's basically it. So just keep in mind that the parameter you have to go to is under his F dash 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 to program this. And F112 needs to be a 6 for preset, and you can always use your lowest speed as your minimum speed if necessary. And this basically concludes how to program the ATV212 drive for preset speed functionality.